Eto de bia nkrofo ehu sikeni ana wo mu hu obi a wagidin a eya na wo mu nyanyanka wo mu yesa nkrofo no. But these people, if they come out and tell you the things they go through, the things their family, even their children, they go through, ka obeka se he ewiase enda form sa na yenim say the air cost wo bia sebe ne ba asemo aba ye ka eye osofopanyi Archbishop Duncan Williams na eye mesre eye anankrofo tina baby ka se ane na wo ye sofo na wo bompa ye man krofo na untumi bompa ye man ba he bibi santo wa wo da ate ento wa da. It is not easy o en sofo no wo momba, it is not easy na enya nsofo pe nkrofo a wo mo abobra a wo mo didin jese wo mo nya din e wo society wo hwe nipa ko no ebia de bia ne ba bi eya obeka se nanso se nipa ko yi wo kasa tre ebia no wo kasa tre ne ba ne kasa tre ne ba ne kasa tre ne ba ne sa ba ne ba ne na jese asodin wentie. Some people naturally they are born stubborn. Now even Kennedy Japan na yeni ayenim nkrofo kan wo ye disciplinarian. Just say one no no nonsense man no. Kennedy Japan crab abonten ebe yi asema to jam na me assure say na mumu bebrekamu nim. Aside all the money and the cars and the houses, no, there are some emotional things bia wono Kennedy Japan ka he goes through. Me susu say ene kra na ema sebe na kuma kra ete na ebi ene say Kennedy Japan aba abonten for the very first time abeka say ne baba bi na ne baba no sisi asebe indrobone ena wonom ena wosanso ede ne ho akwakwohye ahya wonsem mu. Yes, me sure say okra wa shocked. Say Kennedy Japan ba pa ena odo ho akwakwohye ahya wonsem mu. Yes, in America no, some people naturally they are born to be stubborn. Ne papa be kasa san wontie, ne mama be kasa san wontie until say ne pako nankasa edi ni ti be kwakwahye bibi mu. Now Kennedy Japan say ne baba yi obi a wo call SOS. Na one specify SOS chrono, but say mo watema no nim say SOS bi wo say committee 6 hot side, but I don't know whether that's the SOS Kennedy Japan ne ba okwa, but SOS sika full school. Obi a wo watema bia nim say SOS there sebe who ni ska untumi emfa wo ba enko SOS. Iti Kennedy Japan say ne baba yi wo de no ekọ SOS. Na one day ne baba no wo SOS for now. SOS your primary GSS. It's in the baba no SOS on and the baba no. Say I don't know whether SOS they have SHS too. I don't know, but maybe no more SOS or more SHS. And then the baba no every war. Old school no more. Until from that time, and then the baba no was say wo free war every school. And in Nigeria ni be echo die. Into no Kennedy Japan ni bufu ye. That was the first time and the baba shares anyamana say. Iti ni bufu ye ena wono Kennedy Japan yere eje akolano ema akolano ebetro eye exams na wo tro exams wo pass ye like she's very brilliant. Kennedy Japan say ne ba no yobia wa ben into pass ye the first attempt no she passed, and then the results no ema onya admission to California Institute of Architecture, which is ranked the 8th best school at the time. That is a school no, a school bia a pantene baba no wapase ya ye de no course a school no. Na Kennedy Japan say what the Nebanako school a school fees pay $42,000. It for $42,000 you convert your Ghana scheme and that enye easy o. Enye easy. Over 2 billion no and a year can once a move $42,000 no. Over 2 billion. Say and they see a converter. Maybe at that time no na dollar rate ni wo forming, but still enye sika kitwa. And a Kennedy Japan say what you plane mu e China. E one will receive call say ne baba no wa drop it out from school. Obi a Kennedy Japan we di kan ye tia school fees 3 years. I was an institute no. But a plane more China no onya course and the baba na drop it. And I say, ya, imagine, put yourself in his shoes. Ya, say, no, what be a metiasika way, and the money, we school fees, and so the school be anywhere, which your school fees, you now can say, oh, my bank, why you very funded. A lot of schools, yeah, refunded will see come out. It's just within 3 weeks, and an banner air dear way. Was in school no want to asubium. Now they see and say, ne baba no our Chinese roommates be. It's Chinese roommates no say walk check it up on no Kennedy Japan ne baba no walk no. Just ne baba no what cocaine. And I say, one name bro for form bema edda. I say cocaine and drugs. And the baba no warrior. Na wase wo hwa ena nansen wo hu se ne baba no je se waba online ena wo bisa nkrofo ska se wo sre nkrofo mo ma ne ska na won fan ko school no no ehu ne se we di bone obeso go back to the school because on no Kennedy Japan there wa cancel ni din pa se wo betia the school fees ama ne bioma na wo be fi no anka wa kea o se yanka wa kea. Iti wo hu se ne baba na ba bontin sa ebre ebisa nkrofo for scan no Kennedy Japan ne niji ye o se aha se ye tufu se ye tufu na we ntia so entie ene wo wam etikopo just say omo asem bi omo ko mo se efutu nsakire nipa eje nsohwe nti ne baba na nkasa kom no nkasa be hu ne say yes we die makwa akopem. Now he was supposed to pay $168,000. Muntie eno ni sika wono Kennedy Japan he was supposed to pay for the remaining 2 years ne ba na Air Force school no. Inti ne ba ne decide yes we be drop it out no. And I wono Kennedy Japan. What this sika ni bi kan ho and I wo de koto Bentley. Just a car. Bentley see a car just a nebo de ye. Ti what the sika ne ba ni school fees no wo de koto Bentley. Now what to Bentley ne etie for. Now what person what tro e wo Bentley ne ho so say kwasia bi school fees. Kennedy Japan. Hey! Kennedy Japan so what to Bentley o de ne ba the school fees na go to Bentley no. What ko tro wo Bentley ne ho. Say kwasie bi school fees. That say ne bani hu a we hu say yay me school fees a ye di me go school a me drop it out no and then na me papa de akoto kai and the dresses is here de me papa won fi me kra biom and na kan Japan say o ne yere ekata ne say o da bi enye inti kan Japan won jai and na wono a ejaye. So you see it's this thing people don't understand things like this. Some people feel say once you have money, you have it all. But in Kolabi Wawa, naturally, they are stubborn. And it is just like Sebe or for Archbishop Duncan Williams, maybe a fame no, old fame no. King Japan has a lot of children, but once in a baba we and a walk and once I'm sure say there are a lot of Kenyapan children are more cool and calm and they are still going to their school. They respect their father. Baby are weighing a baby I will know you come who you know and I'm an ISR. Maybe I didn't trim too much and then my papa was and I'm an ISR. So you see, I am telling you this. No way when they say, Wobia enche da any sebe a perfect life like that too. Ebia wo de ene say womba ebu. Wo de ene say omba ebeko school. Wo de ene say ebia wo no ubenya omba no wo sika. Wo de be home school. Omba ne beko school no mo abedi ye. But ebia Kenya Japan the level of money na wu ni. But you be sitting somewhere and be envying him. And so this whole thing is about envy. Who say will be take a kesiemu obi ni nebusia eye we ya hwe don't envy you na uko nipa ko nebusim na hu ebia nipa ko na koma because Kennedy Japan we Kennedy Japan ba whether he hates her or not you can't tell me say we need to ema akola no onangasa ne yemba so wo hu say ebia akola no wo de ne ho ahye bibi mu a wo no Kennedy Japan kra na betumi asay ne mood because ye ne ba whether you like it or not but ebia wo no you don't have Kennedy Japan nisi kanibi but you have a perfect family omba ediye. You don't need to envy someone ebia ne sika doso waji din waye we because ebia say ne pakono ne mbania embu no ebia say ne pakono ne mbania e de omo ho akose ndurobo ni mu because of the money they feel they are exposed to the world. And you see one thing about getting exposed to the world, they say one share it can destroy you if you get exposed to the world very early. Oh ya kola oh what de wo hu nyaman ni so ntem near the wo kwa abrochi one share pa it can even destroy you if you can't handle it. Nti mesre obi ande ni lemu na wo bia e wo how obia e wo how obia ne how I done so no just that omba abonti we na ka Kennedy Japan wamba abonti ambeka ebi mu hu no say okay Japan there he lives a very great life. Yes, ebia he lives a very great life but he also has things that are worrying him. Try my comment box motive for me that's it.